Hi everyone and welcome back. In this lecture, I will show you how to find second highest salary from the employees table. So this is very important interview question. If you attend any interview, so this is frequently asked interview question. So here I will explain simple way how to find second highest salary, and also I will explain step by step process how internally query works. So basically here we are using subquery. So I will show you how to write the query to find second highest salary. So first I use max function. Okay, so just I pin this particular queries details. So this is employees table. I have this data. So here we have cell column. Okay, so just pass this particular column inside a max function. So I use alias. So this particular column I treat it as second highest salary. Okay, from EMP where cell less than, inside this particular subquery again I use max function. Inside this max function I pass salary column from EMP. That's it. So now understand how exactly this query works. So whenever you write any subqueries, first it execute inner query. So this particular inner query identify highest salary in this particular table. So here highest salary, let's assume these are salary column values. So in this particular salary column values, 5000 is a highest salary, right? So this particular internal query finds this particular salary 5000. Okay, after that, based on this particular where class, it filter the data. Okay, so we are requesting to this particular based on this particular query. So whatever salary is having less than 5000, I want to identify that particular records. So less than 5000 means remaining all these records falls under this particular criteria, right? So again I pass this particular max function in outer query. So I will show you clearly internally how does it works. So this is my salary column values. I paste all these values into this particular Excel sheet. Okay, so these are my max, sorry, copy these columns, Control C and Control V. Okay, so this particular inner query, okay, this particular inner query identify 5000 is a max salary. So first it execute, it identify this 5000. So wherever you mention this particular filter criteria, based on this particular filter criteria, this particular 5000 gets excluded. Okay, it means less than 5000 values only I need to identify based on this particular filter criteria. Now what will happen? This exclude 5000, remaining whatever values we have, that particular values this filter criteria displayed. Again when outer query executed, in this outer query again it's try to identify max salary. So in this values max salary is 3000, right? Now this particular 3000 become our second highest salary. So if you execute this particular query, now see 3000 is second highest salary. Even you check this particular tables data, so this is 5000 is first highest salary, 3000 is second highest salary. So simple. So first it execute inner query, so it identify 5000 salary, then 5000 excluded based on this filter condition. Again based on this particular max function, it identify whatever values present in this particular remaining values. In that particular remaining values, 3000 is highest salary, right? Then that particular value gets automatically pick up and give this particular result set. Okay, so this way we can easily identify second highest salary from the employees table. So this way we can easily identify. So if you have any queries, please post your queries into question comment sections. I will provide update on those particular queries. Okay, so we have one more query also. Same way we can identify nth highest salary based on our requirement. We can directly enter that particular value. It gives the that particular highest salary. In next lecture I will explain how to write that particular query. Okay, so if you are first time user, please like, share and subscribe this particular channel. So that's it guys, thank you.